Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and while you are watching this video tutorial, me using Shemodern Foil decals, I want to announce a giveaway that I am going to open today, and it will close next Sunday. Let me tell you what the next Sunday is going to be. It's going to be the 21st. So I am closing it on the 21st. I will announce the winner on the 22nd. Now let me go ahead and tell you the rules for the giveaway. You must be subscribed to this channel and Shemodern's channel as well. I will have the links down in the description bar below, and your subscriptions must be public, guys. I will check. You must be over the age of 18. It will be open international as well. So I'm going to have 10 winners, 7 US and 3 international. Now the prize is going to be a $10 gift card from Shemodern, so you will be able to use that $10 towards a foil, nail art foil of your choice. And that is it, guys. All you have to do is just type enter me down below in the comments, and the winners will be chosen at random. Remember that this will close on the 21st, and I will announce the winners on the 22nd. Okay guys, so I do wish everyone good luck. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.